Did you know that the foods you eat after 60 could be the key to living a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life? In this video, we're diving into the essential topic of nutrition for seniors, uncovering how the right dietary choices can transform your health and well-being. As we age, our bodies change, and so do our nutritional needs. That's why it's crucial to focus on foods that not only fuel your body, but also protect your heart, boost your brain, and keep you feeling energized. We'll be sharing 8 powerful, low-carb, no-sugar foods that are packed with nutrients to help manage weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and support an active lifestyle. Whether you're looking to improve your cognitive function, promote heart health, or simply feel your best every day, these foods can make a world of difference. And the best part, they're easy to incorporate into your daily meals. So whether you're a senior ready to take charge of your health or someone caring for a loved one, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and actionable insights to make informed dietary choices that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you enjoy this video, please type 1 in the comments. If you don't like it, type 0 to let me know so I can keep improving for you. Now let's get started. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet, particularly spinach and kale, can offer numerous health benefits, especially for seniors. These vegetables are not only low in carbohydrates and sugar, but also incredibly nutrient-dense, making them an excellent choice for maintaining optimal health. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, while kale boasts high levels of antioxidants and fiber. This combination helps support heart health, improve digestion, and enhance overall well-being. I'd like to share a personal success story of a senior named Lorraine, who transformed her health by adding leafy greens to her meals. After struggling with high blood sugar levels, she decided to incorporate spinach and kale into her daily diet. Within a few months, she noticed significant improvements in her blood sugar control, energy levels, and even her mood. Lorraine now starts every meal with a salad or a green smoothie, which has become a delightful routine for her. I encourage all viewers to consider beginning their meals with leafy greens, as this simple change can lead to better blood sugar management and overall health. Not only do leafy greens provide essential nutrients, but they also help fill you up, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. By making this small adjustment, you can take a significant step toward enhancing your health and well-being. So let's embrace the power of leafy greens together. What if 2 simple vegetables could help you manage your blood sugar, feel fuller for longer, and boost your overall health? Broccoli and cauliflower are true nutritional powerhouses, especially for seniors looking to take control of their well-being. These low-carb, high-fiber cruciferous vegetables are not only great for stabilizing blood sugar levels, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support a healthy, active lifestyle. Let me share a powerful story about Rick, a senior who transformed his health by adding broccoli and cauliflower to his meals. After years of struggling with fluctuating blood sugar levels, Rick decided to make a change. By regularly incorporating these vegetables into his diet, he noticed incredible improvements. His blood sugar stabilized, his energy levels soared, and even his mood brightened. Plus, he felt fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. The best part? These vegetables are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Whether you steam them to preserve their nutrients, roast them with olive oil and seasonings for a flavorful side dish, or blend them into soups and stir-fries, there's a method for everyone to enjoy. By making broccoli and cauliflower a regular part of your meals, you can take a simple yet powerful step toward better health and vitality. So, why not give these superfoods a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Other best foods for seniors are fatty fishes, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are incredibly beneficial for both brain and heart health, primarily due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids are also vital for supporting cognitive function, helping to improve memory and mental clarity. I'd like to share a success story about a senior named Amanda, who experienced a remarkable improvement in her mental clarity after incorporating fatty fish into her diet. Amanda had been struggling with forgetfulness and cognitive decline, but after she began eating fatty fish at least twice a week, she noticed a significant difference. Her family and friends remarked on her sharper memory and increased focus, which greatly enhanced her quality of life. This transformation inspired her to continue making fatty fish a staple in her meals. I encourage everyone, especially seniors, to consider regular consumption of fatty fish as part of a balanced diet. Not only do these fish provide essential omega-3 fatty acids, but they are also a great source of high-quality protein and other important nutrients. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads, fatty fish can be easily incorporated into various dishes. By making this simple dietary change, you can take proactive steps toward improving your brain and heart health, ultimately leading to a healthier, more vibrant life. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, offering numerous benefits for seniors, particularly due to their low carbohydrate and high protein content. Packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins B12 and D, choline, and selenium, eggs support overall health and well-being. Despite some common myths surrounding eggs, such as concerns about cholesterol, recent research has shown that moderate egg consumption can be part of a healthy diet without negatively impacting heart health. I'd like to share a personal story about a senior named Lewis, who experienced a significant boost in his energy levels after incorporating eggs into his daily meals. Previously feeling sluggish and fatigued, Louis decided to start his mornings with a protein-rich breakfast of scrambled eggs. Within weeks, he noticed a remarkable increase in his energy and vitality, allowing him to engage more actively in his favorite activities, like gardening and walking. This positive change motivated him to explore various egg preparations, from omelets to frittatas, making breakfast not only nutritious, but also enjoyable. I encourage viewers to experiment with different ways to prepare eggs for breakfast, as they are versatile and can be tailored to suit individual tastes. Whether you prefer them boiled, poached, or baked, eggs can easily be incorporated into your morning routine. By embracing the benefits of eggs, seniors can enhance their energy levels and overall health, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of energy that can provide sustained nourishment without causing spikes in blood sugar levels, making them ideal for seniors. Among the most beneficial options are almonds and chia seeds. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help promote satiety and stabilize blood sugar. They also contain essential nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium, supporting heart health and cognitive function. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. I'd like to share a testimonial from a senior named Laura, who made the switch to nuts for healthier snacking. After struggling with energy dips throughout the day, she decided to replace her sugary snacks with a handful of almonds and a sprinkle of chia seeds in her yogurt. Laura noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and overall well-being, allowing her to stay active and engaged in her daily activities. To incorporate nuts and seeds into your daily snacks, consider simple options like adding almonds to your morning oatmeal or tossing chia seeds into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. You can also create a trail mix with your favorite nuts and seeds, or enjoy nut butter on whole grain toast for a satisfying snack. By making these small adjustments, seniors can enjoy the health benefits of nuts and seeds while maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. Avocados are a fantastic addition to the diets of seniors, especially for those managing blood sugar levels. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados play a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity, which is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar. These healthy fats not only help regulate blood sugar, but also promote heart health, making avocados a nutrient-dense choice for overall wellness. Try adding sliced avocado to salads for a creamy texture, or use it as a spread on whole grain toast instead of butter or margarine. You can also blend avocados into smoothies for a nutritious boost. By making avocados a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits while effectively managing blood sugar levels and enhancing overall satisfaction with your meals. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can offer numerous health benefits, particularly for seniors. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can significantly impact heart health. Regular consumption of olive oil has been linked to lower blood pressure, reduced cholesterol levels, and a decreased risk of heart disease. I'd like to share a personal story about a senior named Chris, who experienced remarkable health improvements after switching to olive oil. After being advised by his doctor to adopt a heart-healthy diet, Chris replaced butter and margarine with extra virgin olive oil in his cooking. Within a few months, he noticed a significant reduction in his cholesterol levels and an increase in his overall energy. Chris felt more vibrant and active, allowing him to enjoy his favorite activities, like hiking and gardening, with renewed enthusiasm. I encourage viewers to consider using olive oil in their daily cooking and salad dressings. It can be drizzled over vegetables before roasting, used as a base for marinades, or simply added to salads for a flavorful and nutritious dressing. Not only does olive oil enhance the taste of your meals, but it also provides essential health benefits that can contribute to a longer, healthier life. By making this simple switch, you can take proactive steps toward improving your heart's health and overall well-being, enjoying the delicious flavors and health advantages that olive oil has to offer. Cheese can be a nutritious addition to the diets of seniors, offering numerous benefits while addressing some common misconceptions. One of the key advantages of cheese is its low sugar and high protein content, making it an excellent source of energy and essential nutrients. Additionally, cheese is rich in calcium, which is vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis, a common concern for older adults. I'd like to share a testimonial from a senior named Loren, who transformed her snacking habits by replacing unhealthy snacks with cheese. After struggling with weight gain and energy dips, Loren decided to swap out sugary snacks for cheese sticks and slices. She found that the protein in cheese kept her feeling fuller for longer, helping her manage her cravings and maintain a healthier weight. As a result, Loren not only felt more energetic, but also enjoyed the delicious flavors of various cheeses. I encourage viewers to explore different types of cheese as part of their diet. From sharp cheddar to creamy brie, there's a wide variety to choose from, each offering unique flavors and textures. Cheese can be enjoyed on its own, added to salads, or used in cooking to enhance the taste of your meals. By incorporating cheese into your daily routine, you can enjoy its nutritional benefits while savoring the delightful flavors it brings to your diet. Embrace the versatility of cheese and discover how it can contribute to a balanced and satisfying eating experience. Now imagine the impact these 8 powerful foods could have on your health and vitality. In this video, we uncovered the incredible benefits of leafy greens like spinach and kale, the blood sugar balancing power of broccoli and cauliflower, and the brain-boosting, heart-loving omega-3s in fatty fish. We also explored the energy-packed goodness of nuts and seeds, the insulin-supporting magic of avocados, the nutritional powerhouse of eggs, and the anti-inflammatory wonders of olive oil. But here's the real question. What will you do with this knowledge? Will you take the first step toward a healthier, more vibrant life by adding these foods to your meals? The possibilities are endless. Experiments with recipes, try new flavors, and discover how these foods can transform your health. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button to let us know you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below. Have you tried any of these foods? Do you have a favorite recipe? Your story could inspire someone else to start their journey to better health. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community of healthier, happier seniors. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.